Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you LicQual Level 3 Diploma in Plant Maintenance, Construction. The aim of the LicQual Level 3 Diploma in Plant Maintenance, Construction is to recognize the knowledge, skills and competence demonstrated by an individual in the workplace. This qualification provides the opportunity for individuals who specialize in the maintenance and repair of construction plant and equipment to demonstrate their competence. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92-321-5056-755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999-937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk.